Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a beauty tool that I've been using to apply my foundation that I am totally in love with. It is the Michael Todd Sonicblend foundation brush. So I'm actually going to be hosting a giveaway today for one of the Sonicblend foundation brushes. This video isn't sponsored. They didn't pay me to make this video. However, they did send this to me for free in PR, and I asked them if they would do a giveaway for you guys, and they said yes, which is so kind of them. So everything's going to be down below. There's going to be a link when you scroll down to my description box, and make sure you guys try and complete everything. Like, follow Michael Todd on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, because I promise you guys, you're going to definitely want to win one of these brushes. It's so good, and it's like basically the only thing I've been using to blend out my foundation. So I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on this brush and everything. So just keep watching. I'm going to do a tutorial. Make sure you guys enter, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any future videos and giveaways and all that fun stuff. So let's get on into the Sonicblend brush and how it works. So this brush is actually available on Ulta's website. You could pick it up there. It's $79, so it's a little bit more pricey, but I promise you guys it's worth it because it works so well. It's definitely an investment, but you can use like a 20% off Ulta coupon when that sale comes around. What is so cool about the actual like brush head on this, and it is removable, you can change them out, it's antimicrobial. So what that means is it's not gonna like collect bacteria. So it basically reduces bacteria formation that typically grows on brush heads. It moves in sonic movements of like, I think it's 424 movements per second. So that helps make your foundation look flawless because of those little micro movements that it makes, like the pulsing head, the 3 different speeds. It kind of feels like a massage on your face too. Like, it feels so good. It's really nice in the morning when you're waking up, you're getting ready for work, just to have like that little massage thing going on. Like, you don't have to pounce or anything, you just smoothly glide it over the skin. I'm going to show you guys how it works, so if you guys want to see like a tutorial on that, then just keep on watching. So I think today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm going to mix 2 shades, soft beige and nude ivory, because these are my perfect shade. But I love this foundation. It's only $5. It's bomb.com. I already moisturized and primed my face. I use the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula oil to moisturize, and for primer I use the Wet n Wild Coverall primer. So this is a Sonicblend. I have the rose gold edition, which is exclusive to Ulta stores. The color is so pretty. It's more of like a bronzy kind of rose gold. Brush head is super easy to remove. You just twist it like this, and then to put it back on, you just snap it back in place like that. And they also make replacement brush heads, which I really like. They have a flat top one, which I have never tried before, but I'm very excited to test this flat top one out. And this is just the same. It's the round top replacement head, just so you guys know that you can switch these out. It says they last for 12 months, and you should switch them out every 12 months. And I like to clean mine in between. Sometimes I forget to clean mine, but most of the time I do remember. You can do it 2 different ways for application. You can put the foundation like right on your face if you want to, and then blend it out, or you can dip the brush into the foundation like on a mixing plate and then start blending. Either way is fine. I've done it both ways. Also, be careful when you're using this, because it uses less product. You need less product than you usually use, which is a good thing because this saves you so much foundation. Like, you're gonna go through your foundation less when you're using this. I put some of the foundation mixed together on the brush, and I'm just gonna turn it on the first speed. There's 3 speeds. I like using the first one. The second one is a little bit quicker, and then the third one's like hyper speed. And then I buff it into the skin like this, just with round circular motions. And what I love is that there's like no streaks with this brush. Usually when I use a regular foundation brush, it's so streaky right away. I hate foundation streaks. So this is the side that I didn't do yet, and this is the side that I did. And I feel like it looks really natural too, which is nice. I also feel like it fills in my pores really nicely too, which is something that is great about the brush. If you're a makeup artist, this brush is awesome. If you don't like using the airbrush machine, like I do makeup on other people, and I'm not too fond of the airbrush machine, and this is the same exact thing as an airbrush machine. It's just in brush form, and you can use all your regular foundations on your clients. For me, like using an airbrush machine on people is just so annoying because I don't have like the Temp 2 with the little pod. I have a regular airbrush machine, and it's such a pain to like clean out after every client, especially if you're doing like 4 bridesmaids. So that's why I like this. I could just clean it quickly in between and don't have to worry about the airbrush machine getting clogged. So every time I use this thing, I love the way that my skin looks. And it's not time consuming at all. Like I know some people are like, brushes like this take so much time, but honestly it's super duper quick. This is also going to be great if you have more mature skin and you're looking for something that's not going to settle into fine lines. You're really going to like this. I'll show you guys that you can go over it when you like put the foundation directly on your face. So I just dot it on a little bit, turn the brush on, and just swirl it in. So easy to use. I rotate between using the Sonicblend and also using my sponges. I love my sponges, but with the Sonicblend, I feel like it gives me more coverage while still looking natural, and that's why I rotate between the two, because I really love how this makes my skin look. It's still covered, flawless. I feel like the pores are filled in really nicely, but it's not cakey. So I usually don't use this like directly under my eyes, but since I bring my concealer so far down my face, what I like to do is I like to blend out the bottom portion of the triangle with the Sonicblend. So I'll show you guys. I just turn it on the first speed and then I blend it out like this, and I feel like it makes it look super duper flawless under the eyes and really highlights it nicely. And then I'll move over to this side, and then whatever's left over on the brush I just take down into the other areas of highlight. So like the chin, the cupid's bow, and then the forehead, because I did a little too much on this side, so I'm just going to bring it up. And then directly under the eyes, I'll just go in with a little mini sponge. This is a Real Technique sponge, and I'll just blend it out. So you can also blend out liquid highlighter with the Sonicblend. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. I'm going to use the City Color Photo Chic highlight drops. These were also in my April favorites. These aren't coming out for a few more days. I believe it's May 11th that they're coming out. So I'm just going to tap this on the cheeks like that. See how reflective that is? It's crazy. And I'm just gonna blend it out with the Sonicblend. So like sometimes with liquid highlighters, the foundation will come off underneath, but if you just do a gentle touch with the Sonicblend brush, it blends it out super nicely. I want to show you guys how it blends out contour next. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. foundation palette in, this is dark, I believe, medium dark. This is such a good contour palette, you guys. It's like $5. You can get it from basically any drugstore, but these feel like high-end creams for real. So with this, to get it on my face, I like to use like a foundation brush or any sort of like flat brush. You could take a brush like this or like a larger foundation brush, and I'll just kind of dot it on the face right under the cheekbone. I don't love doing cream contour on my nose just because I feel like my nose is very hard to contour and it just gets super messy with the cream, so I'm going to skip that, but I'm going to do the chin. Now we're ready to blend. I'm going to turn mine on the first speed and just start blending this out. And you don't need to use like heavy pressure. I just go lightly over the skin, dense it on the skin. Look how easy that blended out. It makes it look so seamless, just like a shadow. And if you have trouble blending out your contour, this is very helpful. Okay, then I'm going to do this side. Look at that. So nice. I just effortlessly blended it in. I feel like it melts into the skin. Forehead. You could even put it on the next speed if we want to go a little bit crazier. This just helps it blend in a little faster. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I feel like my skin looks so nice and just like beautiful. Airbrush, I feel like this is the perfect way to apply cream products. If you have a lot of cream products and you're like, how the heck do I apply these? This bad boy is so helpful, and I feel like I just keep raving about it, but it's that good. Like, it's so impressive for sure. So it just all looks so natural, I feel, and blended, and there's no lines and you can't see where things like start and end. So that's why I really like the way that it looks. So here's the finished result. I'm gonna go ahead and film another video on a new collection, and I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face. So when I'm done with that, I'll come back and chat with you guys and all of that. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so this is the final look I got using the Michael Todd Sonicblend brush. I really love the way that my skin looks with this. I just feel like everything looks so smooth, and I hope I helped you guys like kind of learn how to use it. So definitely make sure you guys enter the giveaway down below if you guys want to win one of these. I promise you it is worth it. It is super high quality, and you definitely see a difference versus like regular brushes. Like your skin just looks beautiful. So I hope you guys like this little tutorial and demo, and let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know if you're excited for the giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!